Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can record videos on your iPhone or iPad device. So to begin with recording videos on your iPhone or iPad, you firstly want to go ahead and open up the camera app, or alternatively, you can slide up from the bottom of your phone and go to the camera app there as well. So in this instance, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the app. So once we have the app open, we then have multiple options down the bottom where we can simply slide left or right to the different modes of the camera. So as default, it opens to the photo mode. So if I want to go to video, I can just toggle there, and then I can also toggle to slow motion, time lapse, and multiple other options as well. So I'm going to go back to video. And pretty much all I need to do now to start video recording is go ahead and press the red button. And this will start recording the video, and at the top of the screen you can also see the time that has elapsed from the video recording as well. And depending on your model of iPhone, you can also toggle between the different lenses from wide angle to telephoto as well to get different perspectives of your video. So once you have stopped with the video, once you're finished with the video recording, you can simply go ahead and stop it by pressing the red button again. And this will automatically save the video into the camera roll or the Photos app on your iPhone device. So I'll go ahead and show you all this now. So once the video has finished recording, you can go back into your Photos app, open it up in here, and then I can go ahead and open the video that we just recorded. And then this is playing out. And also if I want to edit this video, I can just click on Edit on the top right hand corner. And from here I can trim the video, and then I can also go ahead and crop the video as well. So there you have it guys, that's a really awesome and simple way on how to record videos on either your iPhone or iPad device. So if you've found this video to be helpful, please consider hitting the thumbs up button and also the subscribe button as well. And also if you'd like to see any other tech related videos, please share your ideas down below, as it will help me with creating more videos in the future. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.